Hello and welcome. My name is Abu Paus. Today we are going to learn how to use Civil 3D to create points. Points are very important when you want to do civil engineering designs, especially in road networks and other civil works. So we'll just go straight to the point. The first thing you do, you load your Civil 3D. In this case, I'm using the 2018 version. You go to Points button over here. When you click on it, some options come up. You go to Point Creation Tools, select it, then the toolbox Create Points comes up. You will now go to your Import Point button over here. You select it, then the Import Points dialog box comes up. This section here where you see Selected Files is where you bring in your compatible file, point file that is recognizable with Civil 3D. This place here is the format. Then you have your preview here. So we'll first of all go to this add button here. You add the file. In this case, I have this point creation file .csv. CSV is a recognizable format in Civil 3D. Other formats you can see here, these are other recognizable formats in Civil 3D, but for this tutorial we are using .csv. It's a comma delimited file. You select it and you click on open. Once you select a file that is recognizable by Civil 3D, you necessarily see this check button. That's the OK button here. If this is not shown, and in case you see a cross here, it means there's something wrong with the file. In a later tutorial, I will teach us how to convert raw survey data, that is survey files you get directly from your instrument, into recognizable Civil 3D point file formats. So we'll continue. In this case, the file is OK. That's why there's a check button here. Then these are the formats. Again, in the tutorial I'll be doing later, you will know how to arrange the files so that the formats will be okay, and you will know particularly the kind of format you are dealing with the file. For this particular project, I dealt with a file that has the format PENZD. The P here refers to the point number, the E represents the easting, N is the northing, and Z is the elevation. D stands for description. Of course, it's a comma delimited file. Select this. Here you can see a preview here. Like I said, point number, easting, northing, point, elevation, or Z. And this is the description. So click on the OK button here. Immediately you do that, it has been imported. The only difference is you can't really see it because we are not in the exact location. These are the coordinates here. So to bring up what you have just imported, you type Z for zoom, press enter key. But for this particular 2018 version, you can just type ZE and it will zoom extent to that particular location. If you are using a later version, or an old version rather, you type Z, enter, and you type E, enter. But in this case I can just type ZE straight up and hit the enter key. Here you go. These are the points that have been transferred. If we zoom to one of the points that is not clouded, you will notice here is the description. That's the spot height. It shows this particular point was the spot height on the site. Here refers to the elevation, and this is the point number. So that is all for point creation. I hope you found it interesting. Thank you.